you're looking at how to pronounce these words and more confusing vocabulary. My name is Pronounce, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more, become part of the community too. There are two slightly different ways of pronouncing it in English. In British English, it's pronounced as withdrawal, withdraw, withdrawal, withdrawal. Stress on that second syllable. Now in American English it's a bit shortened and compacted, especially the last syllable, the last two syllables. So often in American it's just shorter. Now in American English it's said simply as withdraw, withdrawal, a long R sound, withdrawal in American English, while again in British English, withdrawal, withdrawal in British English. I hope that's clear enough. Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support and more videos for you here to learn more from me and learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching.